The House of Representatives Ad Hoc Committee on International Boundary Dispute between Nigeria and Cameroon is considering a fresh application to apply the International Court of Justice judgment that ceded Bakassi to Cameroon. The consideration during a public hearing by the committee to determine areas that belongs to either country with Nigeria not ready to cede any of its territory to Cameroon or any other country it shares in border with. Now let's check the report.
The House Ad Hoc Committee are looking into the boundary disputes between Nigeria and Cameroon, as well as the representatives of the people of Danare and Beadjua communities in the Boki area of Cross River State, who stand the risk of losing about 7,000 to 10,000 of their ancestral land. Recall that Honorable Victor Abang in his motion argued that the non-location of Pillar 113A by the Technical Committee of the Cameroon-Nigeria Mixed Commission is the reason for this unfortunate situation. Chairman of the Ad Hoc Committee, Benilar, says the House is concerned about the potential loss of a significant landmass and Nigerian citizens residing within it to Cameroon.
Based on the critical nature of this motion, which is considered as a matter of national urgent importance, the Ad Hoc Committee embarked on a preliminary gathering of intelligence on the subject by seeking guidance and briefs from the ministries, departments, and agencies of government charged fully with the subject matter, and to which the committee has received wonderful memoranda from both the National Boundary Commission, Office of the Surveyor General, and other institutions that have responded. It is to this effect, and furthering from the submissions of these institutions, that we have convened an interactive session and briefing.
However, the Director General of the National Boundary Commission advised that the country should comply with the provisions of the ICJ judgment, a position that federal lawmakers were not pleased with. The lawmakers seem to believe that the National Boundary Commission is not interested in protecting the interests of the country, as the representatives of the Boki community pleaded for quick action from the federal government to save his people.
It's not a question of adjustment of the boundary. It's not a question of Nigeria ceding any territory. It is the boundary that is properly now identified and brought out and made visible. In so doing, some affected farmlands and part of Danare that had expanded beyond what it used to be will be affected.